2K gonna slay, yeah.
Baby, you got me psycho from all the thinking about the bullshit that you're talking about. Now look what you got me psycho. I was in the hospital trying to take drugs as a medication to take all the pain out of my head. Trying to not call me back, that's my ex over there. She trying to fuck with you, but I don't let you fuck with me because I got many to lose. Look at my ring on my hand, I be engaged for months. Why you trying to fuck with me? I be looked so. I be shutting down the school over there trying to get another thing. Look at my kids where they are, trying to see if I could get it. Baby, you got me psycho. I be sitting over there, my parents will ask me what I'm on. Trying to see if I could get another thing over there, trying to see if I could get a thing. I got a Glock over there, I'll shoot you down. Please don't come in front of me because you got me so much psycho. Look at my diamonds over there, trying to glisten and they do the dance over there. My bitch is a masterpiece, trying to get another thing. Trying to see if I could do it. Don't even try to call me back.